everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another What's for Dinner. Today I'm going to be making a beefy nacho soup. This is absolutely amazing. It is so simple to make, requires just a few ingredients. And you can change it up any way you want to change it up. That's what I like about it. Aside from what I just showed you, we're also going to be using a little bit of milk, some heavy whipping cream, and some cheese. I'm going to use some sharp cheddar cheese in the block. I've already grated that. You want to use that. It's so good. And we're also going to use, I might go ahead and throw in a little bit of the Mexican type cheese if I have some on hand, which I don't know if I will because Olivia loves to make quesadillas. She is like the quesadilla queen here. She loves to use that. So hopefully I will have some of that. If not, it'll be just fine. I'm also going to use a little bit of sour cream for topping. I've got these little tortilla strips to go right on top. All right, we're going to start off with adding our ground beef to the pan here. This is about 1.5 pounds of ground chuck. It's still a little frozen, but that's all right. We'll make it work. And then I'm just going to use my little masher, little meat masher, and I'm just gonna get it all broke up. I browned my meat and then I drained it. And now I'm gonna add to this my onions and my garlic. That was about a medium onion chopped and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to cook this for another 1 to 2 minutes. And add my seasoning, taco seasoning. And you know what? I think I might just use 1.5 for now, because I usually use 2 pounds of hamburger when I'm making this. So we're going to do like 1.5. Then I'll taste it later. We can always, once I get everything combined and it cooks, you can always add more, but you can't always take it out. You know what I'm saying? So good already. We're going to add our beef stock, and this is about 4 cups. Our tomatoes. Juice and all. Our green chilies. A little bit of fresh pepper. And just a little bit of salt. Remember, you got your beef stock in there, so you don't need a whole lot of salt. You can always test it later and add more if you need to. Now this could very easily be made in the crock pot if you want to do that. You just have to brown your ground beef first. You could make it in the Instant Pot if you wanted to do that as well. It would work perfectly in either one. I'm going to bring this up to a boil and I'm going to let it simmer probably for about 15 or 20 minutes to just let all those beautiful flavors combine together. And then we're going to add the remaining ingredients. Alright, I've let this cook. Actually, I let this cook for about 25 minutes or so just so my tomatoes could break up a little bit better. We're going to add to this our heavy whipping cream. This is heavy whipping cream and milk. It's about 1 cup of each. This is going to make it nice and creamy. I'm going to add about 3/4 cup of the shredded block sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to save a little bit to go on top as well. Plus I have to save some to give my dogs. And then I've got this Mexican style blend that I'm going to use just a nice little handful of that as well. And then just combine it. We're gonna let this cook for another couple minutes, just until it gets nice and it starts thickening a little bit and becomes nice and creamy. About another 3 or 4 minutes on low, and the cheese is nice and melted, and then we're just gonna serve it up. Alright guys, you've seen it. It looks and it smells amazing. I can't wait to dig in. I made club sandwiches to go with this today. It smells so good. Super creamy. And those little tortilla strips. Perfect touch. So good. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you make it soon. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Thank you.